Hello everyone, my name is P-Titus. So today in this video I'll be showing you how to create power clipping effect on vector motion. The first thing you are going to do, you are going to open your project and select the resolution you want for your project. Next step, click the settings icon, turn on snapping, grid, layers, scene, guides, grid, everything, turn them on. Reduce the grid steps to 50px. On the shapes panel, select square shape, then spread it horizontally and make sure it's snapping to grid. If this is your first time watching my videos on Facebook or on YouTube, I will encourage you to follow me and subscribe to my channel, because there are a lot of videos on my playlist that you can watch and learn more about vector motion. Click here and increase the corners to 118px. Click on copy and click on paste. It will paste directly on the original object that you copied from. Go to geometry, adjust y-axis to change the position of the object, and skip one grid line to create spacing between the two objects. Repeat the steps again in order to get the object on the screen. Select all and rotate the layers. Click here and match all the layers together. Go to geometry and align the layer to the center of the canvas. Alright, you can now turn off scene, grid, snapping, or the settings that you have turned on earlier. You can now turn them off now. Click the plus sign and import the image you want to use for your graphics. Place the picture behind the other layer in order to adjust and know the right position for the picture. So you can now adjust and ensure it's covering every part you want to be visible on the graphics. So alright, now place the image above all the layers. Go to blend mode and select overlay. Copy and paste the image and change the blend mode to normal. Click the pen tool. Click here, then make a shape like this. Just follow my step and make a shape like this. Go to mask and select intersect. Click here and adjust the knots. To geometry and rotate the image by 14 degrees. Alright, that's it. If you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and subscribe. See you next time.